ain't talked to somebody in Connecticut in so long, I had to look it up on the map. I couldn't remember where it was.
Well, that's a good one.
122, making some noise. Bye, 68.
Oh, always trying to make a little noise.
Yes, sir, I know how it goes. Oh, I always try to do the same thing. Welcome to the weekend, brother.
Newark, New Jersey.
Sounding good up here at 920.
Man, I ain't heard.
Well, I appreciate it there, man. I didn't think I had some Mother Nature. Who's out there?
You got a whole heap of conditions, man. You bump it down like that, man. I don't hear 688 no more. 410?
How about it out there, DX land? Breaker, breaker, to one. Bye, bye. I'll get this out.
Bye, 688. Bye, 688. Bye, 688. 688, closing in chapter at 15.
How about it out there, DX land? Somebody come over here. Bye, bye, bye. See, break, break.
Break.
Well, I heard his left toe was for the break. I got it.
The floor sounding good as always. 155.
Blah, 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 blah.
688. If I put it out on the band, man, the boys will have a heart attack and they'll fall out. They'll pass out, man. Hey, 688. Them cat biggers will pass out, man. No doubt about it. Bump it down on your little 688. I'm working this custom-made 55 built antenna. Custom-made 55 built antenna. There's only 3 of them around the world, no doubt about it. 688, take care. Being this worldwide diesel wagon, bottom side of the big horn, working the hell out of this 55 built antenna. I see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh, my goodness. What did I stir up there on the north side like 155? I heard a 44 out there in Georgia. Yeah, it was 420.
Weekend was well over 50 degrees up there around New York.
How about it? Out here on the coast of California. How about it out there, DX land? And for little conditions there, break bread.
String, bang, string. You better watch where you going in that long-nose Suburban. Every time you bump that long-nose Silverado down, I have to take your cat nigga word for it.
Right there on the long-nose Silverado.
Well, you take care. Be 22 in the big horn, 688.
Yeah, it goes still good morning down here.
124, 20.
Bye-bye.
Nature's gonna leave Las Vegas and get. You take care on that long road. Silver 22 in the horn. Appreciate the shout. We're back out of light. Biggest string bean ever, cat big and real. Bump it down on you later. Worldwide string bean, Mr. 688. Backwoods of Connecticut, being this gray big old truck in the big horn. Kiss up.
Hey, good morning, 396.
Oh, 39. Yeah, I got a copy on Keystone. Let's go.
396, 27 out of Northern Cal, and I'm waving.